Hi everyone, hoping you all are doing fine and welcome to our new video. So guys, we are continuing our series though, how we can easily score 60 or 70 plus in CMA final. Okay, I have already prepared the remaining subject. Now today we are covering the paper number 19, cost and management audit. Okay guys, yes, in cost and management audit and paper number 20, strategic performance management and business valuation, most of the CMA candidates scored more than 60, 70 or 80 plus. Okay, and most of the student also do the self study. Yes, these two subjects can easily be done by self study. Myself and me also did the paper number 19 and 20 self study and scored good mark. Okay, so now we are covering the paper number 19 today. So guys, paper number 19. Okay, first we have section big 1A, cost audit 35 mark, then management audit 15 mark. Then section C, internal audit, purely a theoretical portion, 25 mark. Section D, case study on performance analysis, 25 mark. So section D case study you can easily do if you have a good command over remaining section A, section B and section C. Okay, so hope you understand that. Okay, now come to the study note number wise. Okay, so it is my humble request, study note number 2 is very important, study note number 12 is very important in paper number 90, cost and management audit. Okay, so guys, if you're talking about the self study versus you need to buy the classes, my suggestion is that paper number 19 and 20 can be easily done by self study. You can easily do the paper number 19 and 20 and yes, you can easily score the 60 plus easily. If it is possible, you can buy the handwritten notes or books of Nikhil Gupta sir. They are very good teacher, and I can suggest the best teacher for paper number 19 and 20. If you want to buy classes from him, yes, I can suggest that paper number 19 and 20. In my CMA final, I have used the handwritten notes or books of CMA Nikhil Gupta and easily score the good mark. Okay, so hope you are also understand that, and with self study. Okay, but if you have a sufficient time or you do not facing the financial problem, then I can suggest that if it is possible, you can buy the classes either face to face, Google Drive or pen drive. Any mode is sufficient for you. Okay, so hope you understand that. Now come to the point. Paper number study note number 1, basic of cost and management audit. You can easily be read. Okay, 2 or 3 times you can read. That is not this is not the important chapter. Study note number 2 is very important. I have already mentioned. Companies cost record and audit rule 2014 is very important. Most of the study, you can say that case study in exam will come from this concept. Okay, so hope you understand. Now come to the study note number 3. Now come to the study note number 3. Cost audit documentation and audit process. You can easily you can read 2 or 3 times, easily can be done. Cost auditor study note number 4, cost auditor professional ethics and responsibility, very very important. Okay guys, study note number 4. Study note number 5, come to study note number 5, overview of cost accounting standard and gap. Yes, important chapter. You can easily read 2 or 3 times or easily understand the concept. Okay, so now come to the study note number 6, 7 or 8, overview of cost accounting standard. 2 or 3 times you can really easily understand or grab the concept. Filling of cost, you can, I am mentioning here, read only. Filling of cost audit report to MCA in XBRL format as per taxonomy, read only, not that much important. Study note number 8, 9, 10 you can do if you want. As per my opinion, that no, you need not to leave any study note, but if you are doing the both group or giving both group and you do not have that much time, so out of 8 study note number, 9 study note number, 10 you can leave any 2 study note number and prepare for only 1 study note number you can do. But if I were it is my humble request, if it is possible to complete the study note number 8, 9 or 10. Okay, but if you are facing the problem, you do not have sufficient time, so only 1 study note number will be okay. So hope you understand. 8 or 9 or 10. Now come to 11 study note number, most important study note number 11. Then study note number 12 is one of the most important. So study note number 2, 11 or 12 is most important in case study. Okay. So hope you understand that. If it is possible for you, you can buy handwritten notes or books of the Nikhil Gupta sir. Okay. You can easily manage with your friends who are buying, who are taking the classes of Nikhil Gupta sir. Okay. And if it is possible, you can also join the class. Okay. But easily paper number 19 and 20 can be done by self-study. So guys, after completing 2 or 3 time revision, you must go with the past year paper which is available on institute site. Okay, hope you understand the past. You need to understand that the importance of past year paper. Out of 20 mark or 25 mark will come from an exam will come from past year paper. If you have a good command over past year paper, easily you can score more than 60 or 70 plus. So hope you understand that study note number 2, study note number 11 or study note number 12 is one of the important. Okay, and if you are talking about case study guys, so if you have a good command over concept, so easily in cost and management audit there is no such kind of technical case study they will ask. Simple case study. But if you have a good command over concept, you can easily done. Okay. After watching this video, you have any doubt, you can ask me. And if you're buying the books of Nikhil Gupta sir, so I can say that most of the past year question paper is covered almost in the Nikhil Gupta. Almost every question covered in Nikhil Gupta sir book. Okay. So if you're buying the book, so I think that you need not to do or solve past year paper, but you have a glimpse over those past year paper questions. Okay. So still you have any doubt, you can ask me and surely I will try to help you. Okay. So yes, you have all 8 papers of CMA final, how the important chapter in CMA final, paper number 13 to paper number 20. Okay. After watching every video, you have any doubt in your mind, you can ask me and surely when I get a time, surely I will try to help you or reply. So for today, that's all about in this video, and bye guys. Keep enjoying, keep growing and keep studying guys. Bye.